Guys, today in this video we are going to deploy Subzero MD bot free on Koyeb. If you don't know how to create Koyeb free account, I have uploaded many tutorials. Go and watch. I will provide the link in the description. Now open Koyeb and sign into your account. Then scroll down and click on GitHub. And then paste your Subzero MD GitHub repository link here and click on import. From here now select Docker file and click on next. And now scroll down and click on again next. From here select the environmental variables and files and add your variables. And now go to Koyeb and sign in to your account. After sign in, scroll down and click on GitHub. And from here paste your GitHub repository link here and then click on import. After this select Docker file from here and again click on next. And then if you want to change the server or if you are not changing server, then simply scroll down and click on next. From here add two variables session-id and owner-number. And now click on another variable and type owner-number and add your number. Now scroll down and click on deploy. Your deployment will be start. You can see here our deployment is now start and we will wait 4 to 5 minutes. After deployment I will continue the video. You can see here our bot is now successfully deployed and now we will check our Wattsapp that it's working or not. You can see here we have received the Subzero bot connected message and our menu is also working. So this is for today. See you in next video.